What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and smash that notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. In the last video, you guys saw we drove both of the trucks in the snow and the salt, so they are very dirty. But we're gonna change that in just a little bit. They are both very filthy. Definitely in need of a wash. What you making?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake bites.
Cheesecake bites.
Bites.
Wow. Once Kaylee's done making her cheesecake, we'll go over to the car wash and wash the trucks up.
Hey, babe.
What?
There's someone in the back of your truck.
There's somebody in what?
The back of your truck.
There's somebody in the back of my truck.
Yeah.
I think I know who it is. Freaking haters again. Hey, what the heck are you doing? Get out of my truck.
Oh, hey, I got a question for you. These tires, they look kind of small. You need some bigger tires on this truck so it looks good. You know, it looks like a little baby truck right now. Them 33s on there.
They're not small tires. No, they're 40-inch tires. It's just a super high truck, so they look small.
This truck must ride real terrible. It's real wobbly, ain't it? When he's driving, it's probably terrible to drive, right? It probably sucks. You got that rough country lift down there saying 11 inches, something like that.
No, actually, it rides pretty nice. It's full coilovers. It's smooth on the highway. It's pretty decent.
I heard on Instagram that your mommy and daddy bought you this truck. I buy my own thing. What about you, son?
No, I don't know who told you that, but my mom and dad didn't buy my truck. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Well, you have a good day now. I'm gonna get to stepping.
Yeah, you too, bud. See you later. Don't come back. Like an idiot. Alright, it's time to go wash the trucks.
I am Filthy Plugs. I am Filthy Plugs. and filthy plugs. I am filthy plugs.